Hi, and welcome to Cash and Coins. Today I'm going to talk about gold and silver markets. Well, the gold and silver markets. As you know, there has been a dip in just about all the markets, including silver and gold. But should silver and gold be in a dip right now? Should you hold on to your gold or sell it? What about your silver? Hello, and thank you for joining me here at Cash and Coins. I hope you're doing well. As you know, the markets have been a little crazy and the metals have been dropping. If you have been a stacker for a while, you know that gold and silver are used as a hedge against inflation. And that's a good thing. I do it. I keep buying gold and silver. But the markets and the feds are saying things that don't add up, especially not for the gold and silver market. First, we know that inflation is high, over 6%, and the Fed now admits that inflation is not transitory. They have retired that ideology. Now, if inflation is up and gold and silver should be up, not only should they be up because they are safe havens, but because gold and silver sales for 2021 are exploding. As I stated, the markets are down, but the Perth Mint from Australia reports highs in silver and gold sales. So I'm assuming that the markets just have not caught up yet. Even the U.S. Mint is selling gold and silver like they're going out of style. Look at these numbers from the U.S. Mint. The United States Mint has sold, so far for the year 2021, 1,841,000 troy ounces of gold. And for silver, they have sold 28,275,000 troy ounces. Yeah, those are some big numbers. And that's not all. Let's look at this article from Reuters. It's dated December 6. The Perth Mint's sales of gold products in November jumped about 94% from the previous month to an 8-month peak, the refinery said Monday. Sales of gold coins and minted bars soared to 115,872 ounces last month, the highest level since March this year, from 59,750 ounces in October, and were up nearly 38% from a year earlier. Silver products sales rose 13.2% to 1,530,598 ounces from 1,352,275 ounces in October, jumping about 37% from a year ago. And it goes on to say, a general pickup in the appetite for physical gold coincided with the release of the Perth Mint 2022 dated Australian Kangaroo Series. The response from our global distribution network was outstanding, Neil Vance, the general manager of Mint Products, said in a blog post. Well, what does this mean for the markets? You know what I say, let's look at the charts, and we'll be brief with this here. As you see, gold was up this year, as was the stock market, but they're both down now. And look at the silver market and the stock market. They were up earlier this year, but both are also down. And when I say the market, I'm talking about the Standard & Poor's S&P 500, which I consider a good index to look at for market ups and downs. But is this the way it's supposed to be? I honestly don't think so. Things are just not adding up. Of course, I am not a financial advisor, but I can see that something isn't right. So I looked a little deeper and I found this on CNBC. Gold dips as Fed's hawkish rhetoric dampens appeal. Gold is often considered an inflation hedge, though reduced stimulus and interest rate hikes push government bond yields up, translating into a higher opportunity cost for holding bullion, which pays no interest. Yeah, so they're saying their investors are putting their money into bonds and not into gold because, gold, silver, they don't pay interest, but bonds do. And I also went to Market Watch, and this is what they stated. There's no real safe haven demand at the moment. Goes on to say this is right. The gold market is looking for more clarity on the rate of the Fed's tapering of asset purchases and to also pinpoint timing of interest rates increases in 2022. As you see, there are many factors that are holding gold and silver back right now. But if these explosive sales of gold and silver continue, the spot prices will have no choice but to respond and move up. Now, I don't have a crystal magic ball, and I'm not trying to say that I can predict the future. But what I can tell you is that the way the market is supposed to move is if things are selling, the prices of those items that are selling usually move up. We will see how 2022 will be. And if you could, please let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts? Where do you see silver and gold markets moving? And I think that wraps it up for this video. As I always say, I want to thank you for watching Cash and Coins. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not. Oh yes, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And also, as I always say, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you on the next video.